Alrighty. Now, yes, I know I'm dirty. Just, yeah, I was playing in the dirt, so. But I'm throwing up some videos. There's a whole group of them. I went to a cool show today. There's going to be a whole group of videos. I'm going to put them in a playlist. And in the description, I will put a link to each and every video. Maybe even the playlist or whatever. I don't know. But I'm throwing them all out today. If you're seeing this video, there's others. And I'm putting the same intro in all the videos. So you're going to have to hear me repeat myself. These videos are awesome. Just go watch them. They're amazing. Alrighty? Till next time.